presenting the Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.